Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This will be an in-depth kind of video where we'll be diving into the world of LLC formation, specifically with Incfile. If you're contemplating which package to choose from, silver or gold, then you're in the right place. Incfile has been a guiding star for over 1 million businesses, assisting them in forming S corporations, C corporations, non-profits, and of course the limited liability companies LLCs. Their diverse packages ranging from $0 to $299, excluding state fees, are tailored to fit every business's unique needs. Starting with the silver package, it's very beneficial for those who want a straightforward approach. At $0 plus state fees, you get a business name search, preparation and filing of your articles of organization, and a registered agent service free for the first year. However, you're not going to be getting an operating agreement or an employee identification number, the EIN. You might need to consider their add-ons or a higher tier package, but remember you can always apply for an EIN directly through the IRS for free. Next up, we have the gold package priced at $199 plus state fees. It's a comprehensive solution as it encompasses everything from the silver package and adds intensive processing. You'll also be getting an EIN, operating agreement, and bylaws templates. You'll even be getting a 30-minute consultation with a tax expert. This package is designed for those who want a seamless experience with added benefits. And lastly, we also have the platinum package. For those who are truly serious about their business and want the best of the best, Incfile offers the platinum package. Starting at a service fee of $299 excluding the state fees, the platinum package is designed to cover almost everything that you'll need to establish and operate your business seamlessly. The exact state fees vary depending on your formation state and the business entity type. For instance, forming an LLC in Maine would cost $178 in state fees, while in New York it would be $205. These fees are directly paid to your respective Secretary of State and are mandatory for registering a new business. The Platinum package features include everything from the Gold and Silver package, with an additional business contract template, a free next day filing, and also your very own domain name plus a business email. Incfile's offerings don't stop there. They have a plethora of additional services to ensure your business thrives. From annual reports, virtual addresses, and business licenses to submitting your annual report, Incfile has you completely covered. To start your very own LLC, simply head over to incfile.com and click on Start My Business. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your entity type and the state of formation. So choose LLC and then your state. After that, you will have to choose one of the 3 options, the Platinum, Gold, or Silver. So after the analysis that we've just done, you can choose the one that best suits your personal or business needs. And if you like what Incfile has to offer and you would like to form your LLC seamlessly, then feel free to check the link in our description down below. You'll be directed to Incfile's website so that you can get started with your business needs. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, let us know by leaving a like on this video and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.